Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable the little keyboard icon on Samsung keyboard on Galaxy S24. So here is my Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you go to the messages, here it's missing a little keyboard icon. To enable this icon, just go to settings and here go down and go to general management. Here go down and we have here keyboard list and default. Tap to go inside, and here we have keyboard button on navigation bar. Just enable this feature. Now I will exit, and now I will go to messages, and as you can see, I have here now the little keyboard icon, and if you tap on it from here, you can open the Google voice typing or Microsoft Swift key. Also, you can disable from here the keyboard button if you want. So this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.